If you're a diabetic who is looking for something that you can be able to hold, that you're not going to have to worry so much about counting the carbs and making sure that it's going to match the amount of insulin that you're going to need, that you're going to know that you for sure can have it ready for you at night, where you're not having to worry about passing out, where you're not having to worry throughout the day, where you're not having to worry about your blood sugar spike, I got something for you, but you're going to want to stay tuned for this. My name is Gift Bailu. I am with Health Enhanced Food, and our job is to be able to make sure you get the best baking mixes for your special dietary need. And we got something special for you, because I told you I got something special that you want to be able to see. I want to talk to you about Health Enhanced Foods Ketogenic Almond Baking Mix. Y'all, this is something that is absolutely special. And look, I told you, this is about making sure that you are able to live healthily. Whether you got type 1 diabetes, whether you got type 2 diabetes, we want to make sure that you got the type of life that you want to be able to live despite the work that has to be done, because you guys are superheroes. And I'm telling you this straight up, you guys are superheroes in the way that you have to deal with this. People don't understand it to the extent of what your diabetes means and what that lifestyle means, and you deserve to have some level of peace of mind. One of those reasons that you get it is because of this. Almonds. Why are almonds so important to this? Because they absolutely help control your glycemic levels. It prevents a huge amount of blood spiking so that you can be able to eat without having to worry about major insulin shock, or even worse, dropping blood sugar that can make you woozy, or even worse, pass out in places that you might not have the help that you need. In addition to it, because almond is such a powerful nut, it has manganese in it, which is excellent for blood sugar control as well. It's something that is very centrally needed. And because this is all a plant-based diet, and when I tell you the ingredients are all plant-based, I'm telling you the ingredients are all plant-based. Nothing processed, completely natural, and you can be able to eat it without having to think too hard about this. Of course you measure, of course you do what your normal research, but I'm telling you, you don't have to worry so much about this. And I tell you the ingredients are as simple as almond flour, sunflower seed flour, pea protein, chia seeds, whole psyllium husk. Full stop. Ain't nothing else inside there, and it's built just for you. If you want to be able to learn more information about this scientifically tested, people recommended baking mix just for you, check out the caption down below, or absolutely check the link in the bio to get your first bag, or check the shop itself. We want to make sure that you not only have a holiday season that's amazing, but you also have a regular life that continues to be amazing. We look forward to seeing you. Check it out. And of course, our Black Friday deal, 17% off all bags today. So stock up, get yours. Let's go.